Welcome to the T-Rec 5 installation tutorial. Please assure you have with you all the following products. T-Bus with all its relevant modules, at least one MCP1 is required. The T-Rec 5 retractor, horizontal or vertical bracket, retractor template, paper or metal, 2 red knobs. For installation, you will need 4 screws for mounting the bracket, Phillips and flat head screwdrivers, a marker and a drill. Use the cutout template to mark the cutout area for your T-Bus hole. Insert the T-Bus inside the cutout. Do not tighten the enclosure screws yet. Place the retractor template with the M-lock facing the short slot in the T-Bus. Remove the double-sided tape of the cutout template. Position the retractor template under the table and tighten the double-sided tape. Make sure that M-lock is positioned on the correct side below the short slots of the T-Bus. Tighten the T-Bus to the table using the dog ears. This will keep the T-Bus and the retractor template from moving. Route the retractor cable through the MCP1. Insert and slide all the requested modules inside the T-Bus in the order you choose. Note, MCP1 cannot be located on the far side from the M-lock. Secure the T-Bus with the M-lock. Position the bracket in its position under the table, according to the retractor template slots, and secure with the screws. Note, the screws do not extend the table surface. Watch out from having the bracket fall off. Position the pins located on the side of the retractor through the bracket holes. Position the second side of the retractor and fasten to the bracket using the 2 red knobs. Pull the retractor cable through the MCP1 and assure all work as expected and there is no friction between the retractor's cable and the MCP1. We hope this tutorial helped you install Kramer's T-Bus device. For more information, feel free to contact our customer service department.